Hope you are all well and staying fit and healthy. Today's recipe is a broccoli and cauliflower gratin, a recipe that you will surely enjoy with your family, and the best part is that kids will also enjoy eating broccoli and cauliflower with this recipe. The first step would be to steam 1 portion of cauliflower and 1 portion of broccoli for about 10 minutes. Keep checking the pot to make sure that the cauliflower and broccoli doesn't become too soft or mushy. Step 2 would be to remove the steamed broccoli and cauliflower and place them in a casserole. Broccoli is a superfood as it is a good source of vitamins K and C. It also provides potassium and fiber. Vitamin C builds collagen, which forms body tissue and bone, and it also helps cuts and wounds heal quickly. Cauliflower is also a superfood and is high in fiber and B vitamins. It enhances weight loss and digestion. It also contains choline, which is essential for learning and memory. Step 3 is to take 5 tablespoons of butter, melt it in a pot, and then add 1 onion finely chopped. Braise the onions until they are a light brown in color, but not fully caramelized. Adding onions to any dish gives the dish a sweet flavor, but be careful not to brown the onions too much for this dish. Step 4 would be to add in 1 teaspoon of freshly crushed garlic into the pot while the onions are still braising. Step 5 would be to make a milk mixture with 1 cup of milk, half a cup of fresh cream, half a teaspoon fine salt, 1 teaspoon pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg, and a 1/4 cup of flour. Step 6 would be to add the milk mixture to the pot and continue whisking to avoid lumps. Remember that you will still be able to see lumps in the pot, but this will be obviously the braised onions. You will notice the mixture in the pot starting to thicken after about 5 minutes. Once you reach this consistency, remove from the stove and keep aside. Step 7 would be bringing back the broccoli and cauliflower we steamed earlier and laid in the casserole dish. Then throw over the sauce that we made in the pot and make sure that the florets are completely covered. Lastly, sprinkle some grated cheese over the broccoli and cauliflower and place this in an oven 150 degrees Celsius for about 45 minutes. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you stay healthy with recipes like these. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.